All right. Good morning. Merry Christmas. Blessings to all. It is about 2:29 in the AM on Christmas morning, December 25th, 2024. Oy. Yeah. Merry Christmas all. I hope you've had a very blessed day and enjoyable Christmas Eve, and that Christmas Day is a very good one for you. I know I'm going to have fun playing with the Mac Mini when I get home. Uh, I have a steak thawed out and marinating, and it's going to go in the, what do you call it, the air fryer and get toasted up real good. Also have sweet potato. I like sweet potatoes and I like steak, but I can get by on cheap cuts of meat too, so I'm not bashful about getting to eat beef or pork or chicken. Matter of fact, I had chicken yesterday, and I had beef too, so it was a good day. Tonight, I had a girl here at work brought me some food back. I ended up with enchiladas and some brisket. Yes, fat and content and happy. This is a good day. Uh, but yes, I hope everybody's having a good one. I know that's an impossibility because there's bad things happen every day, Christmas Day included. Uh, yeah, I was paying attention to, you know, some folks talking about the Mark guy over there in the Philippines in Dumaguete that passed. And yeah, kind of a bad time to be passing. Makes it rough on the family. But then I look back and hey, I've had a lot of my friends pass this time of year. I don't know. I think it's just rough on them. Life isn't easy. So, yeah, I've had a couple of friends that passed before and a couple of friends that passed after Christmas, before New Year's. So it kind of makes this time of year sad for some folks. It's part of life is none of us get out of it alive. We all die eventually. The question is, did you live? I know a lot of people who don't, and that's really sad. We're here, today is a day of celebrating Christ's birthday, birth, the beginning of a life, and all the potential that it holds. So, why do so many people choose not to go forth and live? I mean, there's just too many people that choose to be miserable. And I see the Filipinos, people over there, Philippines people, got a rough life, yet they're living it. They're having fun with it. That's important. Might be why they're called Philippines is called a friendly people, a friendly place, because it is. They choose to live even though everything's going against them. Yeah, things to be learned from the Philippines. How to say, I'm living, and go out and have fun, no matter what the problem is. you can live through it and have fun with it. Anyway, I hope everybody has a good Christmas, gets to remember why we're celebrating today. And yeah, I'm going to be tinkering with my little Christmas present, the Mac Mini, and getting it set up. Yeah, I'm going to bring that pair of dual monitors in, and that way I can set them up. And I have a bad habit, like with this computer right now. I have one window of Firefox open and one window of Chrome open, and they both got somewhere between 10 and 15 pages on it. That's about all this computer can handle. On the one at home, my little mini PC, not the Mac Mini, but the Gymtech or GM Tech, GMK Tech. That one has, oh gosh, I've probably got 30 tabs on just the Windows, the Brave version. I ain't even got, I don't even remember how many I left open on the Chrome. But yeah, I have a bad habit of just opening Windows and going back when I get to it, especially with YouTube. So yeah, I don't think it would run all of the tabs at the same time with YouTube on it, but it'll pull them open and hold them and have them there ready for you when you are ready to see them. And yeah, this one here, like I say, if I get over 15 tabs on both of them, it starts crashing. But yes, I'm going to play with that after getting to eat. And then, well, I don't know, I might play with it a bit and then eat and then play with it a bit and then eat some more. It's Christmas. It's a day to get full and remember the blessings of Christ and what he brings into your life. Remember very much so to be thankful for your friends. Like I say, I don't have a lot of them, and I've lost a bunch. I'm losing more than I'm making. But the ones I do have are friends. Like I say, I relieved the girl here at work. She went home, got more food, put it on a plate, and brought it all the way back here for me. If she was just a coworker, that wouldn't have happened. Yeah. And because of having some friends, like I say, most of my friends are male. I have a couple female friends, but not many. And yes, it can be done. You can have female friends that aren't there for playtime. These are friends, and they're friends because they've taken the time to get to know me, and I've taken the time to get to know them, and no, that isn't involved. But yeah, it can be done, but it's very rare. And I understand why, a lot of folks are worried about that. You know, women having men friends and men having women friends. It does have to do a lot with character, standards, beliefs. It's if you're just out there looking to rail everything you can, you probably don't need to have a female friend. Probably shouldn't. And probably shouldn't have any females around you to rail. They should probably have enough sense to know that you're not worth knowing. But hey, common sense ain't so common anymore. So, yeah. I do want to, you know, have my friends. Like I say, I don't have a lot of them, and they're spread out all over the U.S. A couple down in Mexico. Don't have any in Canada. And they're supposed to be pretty friendly people, but don't have any in Canada. But yeah, friends are important. Living is important. Anyway, yeah, I'm a bit rambling. I've been thinking about things, remembering my past friends, the ones that have passed. Yeah, it's one of the reasons I want to get out of here, go to the Philippines, is because, well, I don't want to die sitting here in this chair. I want to go out and live and have fun in the Philippines. Yeah. Too many people stay at work and just work and work and work and work and die there. Why? I mean, money helps, but you can live without money, or at least not very much of it. The Philippines proves that. Too many people over there making next to nothing and having an enjoyable life, enjoying friends and family. Yeah. Yet I know a guy who's, well, if he was to actually retire right now, you know, he's not rich, but he would have a $10,000 a month income. Yet he's here and still working because he doesn't want to quit working. He thinks he needs more. The desire to consume all these things, that's what I'm part of what I'm doing is getting rid of a bunch of my stuff, getting with a few things that I want to take and carry with me, and getting set up to go, and getting rid of everything else that I don't need. And I'm really torn on a bunch of cast iron because, man, I love my cast iron. And I want to bring it with me. But that's more dead weight. And, well, it's hard to travel with cast iron. It's heavy. Yeah. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to try to get my computer up and going, edit the unboxing, I guess, post it up on here when I get it. And I think maybe I'll try to pack one of my Balikbayan boxes. Because, well, not much to go do on Christmas Day. And by the time I get done with that, getting things set up and such, and go to sleep and wake up, it'll be Thursday, and that's going to be a pretty quiet day because, well, everybody's had already too much activity for the week just with Christmas. So Thursday is going to probably be a fairly quiet day, too. Friday here will be busy because everybody's trying to get back after their week. Saturday will be a buzz. I mean, it'll go crazy here. But that's okay. That's what we're in the business for. So when people travel, we take care of them. Well, I'm Williams, Philippines. Merry Christmas and blessings to all. I hope you've had a good one. I know I've been enjoying my little bit so far. Like I say, I started off with a plate full of food at about 12:15 a.m. So I got to have a full belly to start in bringing in Christmas. So always happy. Anyway, fish out.